So Karen, loft all done?
Yes, very happy with it, thank you.
Fabulous. How did you find City Lofts in the first instance?
Actually, we drove past on our way to Kingston and I noticed you, so I looked you up.
Oh, fabulous. So Karen, how's the cat enjoying the loft too?
Oh, she loves it. Her favourite sleeping place.
Oh.
You're going to get a tail in the middle of it now.
Will you be going up there yourself to stay?
Probably this week, because we've got our grandson coming to stay, so he'll be staying in the small room. We'll probably stay in the room next to him.
Fabulous. And I know that building work isn't necessarily the easiest thing to live through. How was it for you?
I have to say it was a lot better than we expected. I mean, the guys were great. They didn't bother us. We hardly knew they were there. My mother is 99 years old and we were a bit concerned that it would be an issue for her, but it wasn't. She didn't even notice them and they were very, very respectful and helpful with her. So.
Oh, well, we hope the loft brings you and the family lots of joy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.